Alright friends, when we use Tailwind CLI, we can use Tailwind IntelliSense. For example, I want to give the color. A text amber it starts, as you see. I just write T and E. So after that it's auto-completed. So I can use these classes. Or I want to give background color. I just say BG. So as you see, it's auto-completed. So it's very useful. We don't need to memorize all class names. So that's why we use IntelliSense. But when we use CDN, it's not available. So how can I use CDN? So as you see, I can add one script here. So with this script, I can use Tailwind CSS classes. For example, I come to desktop. I open my new folder, Tailwind CDN. Okay. So I double click. I say show more options, open with code, and then I created index.html. After that, I will copy this command. I copy these, and then I paste into index.html. Let's run it. I right click, open with live server. So as you see, it works. It works with Tailwind CSS. But when I use IntelliSense, for example, text amber or something like that, it doesn't work. Or BG, I write BG, something like that, IntelliSense doesn't work. So it's very useful using CLI version. But as you see, both works. We can use CDN version 2. When you want to test just one file, you can use it. But if you have a big project or you have more than one project and you need to use CLI version, so let's use the first one. I mean the CLI version. Okay.